Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing some work on estimating. So here we have a sum here of 95 plus 34. Now when you're doing estimating, you want to round these to numbers where they're easy to work with, okay? So this is the number 95. Now if I was counting in tens, which is what this is between 90 and 100. And using my rules of rounding up, the 5 would round it up to 100. Okay, so this number here I would round to 100. Right there, 100. And then I would add on the other number. Now because this is a 4 and this is in tens, it's between 30 and 40. So I would choose 30 because it would round it down. Okay, using my rules. So my estimate answer for this would be 130. Okay. Right, looking at this now we're into hundreds here. Okay, so these we're going to round to the nearest 100 because they're easier to work with. So 378 is between 300 and 400, and because of the 7, it rounds it up to 400. So I'm going to do 400. Take away. Now this one is between 100 and 200, and because of this 5, it's rounding it up to 200. Okay. So 400 take away 200 is 200. Okay. This one here is multiplication. This is in the 100, so I'm going to round it to the nearest 100. So it's either 200 or 300, and this 3 would round it down to 200. Okay. And then I'm multiplying it by this one. It's either 80 or 90, yet it rounds up to 90. Okay, so when you're multiplying here, two numbers with lots of zeros, you multiply the first two digits, 2 times 9, which is 18, and then you just bung on the zeros from both of them, so it's got 3 zeros afterwards. Okay, alright. So let's have a go at doing a wordy question. So estimate the cost of 64 bottles of cola at £2.99. So this estimate again wants you to round these to nice numbers. So this is to the nearest 10, 70. Yeah, I'm choosing nearest 10 because it's the biggest digit is a 10. Yeah, and because each bottle costs £2.99, I need to multiply that because I've got 70 bottles by this rounded. So this to the nearest pound, because that's the biggest unit, is 3. Okay, so as I said up here, multiply the first two digits, so 7 times 3 is 21 plus another 0. Okay, and because this is money, it is £210. Hopefully that's helpful, and you can now have a go at your estimating worksheet. Bye.